Welcome friends to this Excel 5-minute series video. If you want to gain a mastery over using Excel, you should also be gaining mastery over selecting the data in the Excel with the help of the keyboard shortcut keys. So let's get started. The first shortcut is shift arrow keys as such. So I have this cell selected. I am pressing shift right arrow key and you can see only one column is getting selected with the each press of the right arrow key. Now if I press down arrow key, only one row is being selected. Then the next option is shift backspace. It will go back to the last active cell over here. Now the control shift right arrow key, it will extend till the rightmost data as such. Control shift down arrow key till the lowest data as such. Control shift left arrow key, again go back to that particular column and it will extend to that column as well. Control shift up arrow key, same way as such. Now the next one is shift home. If I press shift home, it will extend to the first column in that particular row. If I want to extend to the first cell in the sheet, control shift home, then control shift end bottomwards as such, and it will extend even beyond the data as well. But if you want to just select the data, you can press control asterisk as such. Now the next option is selecting a particular row. Press shift spacebar. Only a single row will be selected. Now if you want to select a column, control space bar, only the single column will get selected. Now the next option is go to. So for that, press control G, go to special, and there are various options available over here. I won't be explaining you all these options, but only few of them. So if you want to select only the formula cells in this particular data or in a sheet, select formulas and click OK. Immediately you can see only the formula cells are selected. If you want to select the constants, you can select constant and click OK. Same way the other functionalities are working for paste special. So if cells contains comments, if cells are blank in a particular selected region, it will get selected. So you can look over Google for all of these other options as well. Okay. So the next option is find options. So some of the cells which are there in green color, I want to select only them. So let's go to Control F, go to format drop down, format, select fill, then select this particular color, find all, and press Control Shift N. You can see only the green color cells are selected. This way you can select with the other colors as well. So that's it. Then the next one is like if there are certain cells which are hidden and I want to select only the visible cells over here. So I have hidden those cells and now I am pressing Alt semicolon. So you can see only the visible cells are getting selected and there is a little break over here. So with Alt semicolon you can have that. The next option is control open square bracket. So some of the cells may be a formula and you want to select the cells which are having values precedent to it, or kind of the cells on which the current cell is dependent. So you can press control open bracket, one level back it will go. So if you want to have all the cells selected which have direct impact on the current cell, press control shift open bracket. Now if I want to see which cells are dependent on the current cells, I can press control close bracket. If I want to see all the cells which have dependent on my current active cell, control shift close square bracket. Okay. Now the next one is control period. So you can see I have selected this data and the current cell active is this one. So if I press control period, my active cells moves around in the data which I have selected. And finally, if I want to select non-adjacent cell, I can press control and then I can manually select whatever range I want with the help of the mouse click. Even the other option is there. If I have range selected, with the help of control and then next mouse click, I can select the non-adjacent cell as well. And this can be done with the shift F8 keys as well. That's it from my side for today. Thanks a lot guys.